It's Keeming here, and I got an unboxing to do. And this unboxing, Ryan, if you're looking at this video, you're gonna like it, and you're gonna be surprised. Since I had a good report card, my dad said, I got this. Coming right out of the package, finally. Sorry. I got the Nerf Retaliator gun. I got it like a lot of hours ago, but I haven't opened it yet because I went to Josh's house, my cousin. So I really want to crack this thing open. So let's go. Piece of tape on it. I'm just using bare hands here. Was it all the way? Oh, it's all the way back here. And this might take a while. Oh, there we go, I got it. I ripped it by accident. So, top has been opened. I'm opening my thing. YouTube. So here is the beautiful gun in its wrapper, as you can see. And yeah, so here's a stock, that gun itself, a mag. I don't know. I think it's a 12-round mag. I'm not sure though. The long barrel over here and the grip over here. So now I'll actually open the thing. So get this piece of tape off. Goodness, it's stuck on it pretty good. Keep these things nice and safe so they don't break when someone buys them. Oh, there we go. One side open. Can't get the other side open. There we go. Other side open. So here's the initial blaster. Trigger works. Now the rest of the stuff will be pretty easy to get open, I think. Here, I'm gonna go get some scissors. Okay, I got some scissors, so I can go really quick. Got the stock. Holy crap, this long barrel is on here pretty well. One side open. Second side open. It's in the wrapper. We can take it out. Here's the long barrel. Stock I have to get out. Oh, there it is. Stock. And I got some bullets with it, so that's good. And the bolts are out. So here's the initial gun with the mag in it. You reload it from the top. You can take the mag out, I guess. Or I thought I could. There we go. Take the mag out. Now I'll add the attachments on. If my iPod dies, I'll be very mad. So I'll add the long barrel on. If I know how. There we go. Got the long barrel on. That's what it looks like with the long barrel. The grip. I'm not so good at putting these grips on. I'm not an expert at Nerf, so. Oh goodness. It's close. Oh my goodness, I can't put this on. Screw that. And then the stock. If I can put this grip on, you can see the gun with all the attachments on it. Oh, there we go. Got it in. So this is a full look at the gun. I know the camera angle might be weird. Here, so this is a full view of this very amazing gun that I got. Oh, where I got this gun at Toys R Us. Go to your local Toys R Us. They had this one at the KP Toys R Us. Not the KP, the one right beside it. And so, yeah. And if my iPod dies, I'll be mad. But here, I'll fire some test shots for you guys. See how it operates and all that. So that's it. Open the bullets for you guys. This gun at the store I went to was like $50, so it's pretty expensive, but my dad's nice, so he got me them. Oh yeah, so this is a 12 mag. I'll just put one bullet in for now to shoot it. All the way back. It's loaded. Here, I'll put this up so you can see the couch. I'm gonna shoot the couch. You can't really see the gun, but here it goes. Boom! Beautiful shot. This thing, oh, it fell off. It never fits. I'm gonna break it, so I don't want to mess with this too much. Trying too hard for you guys. This would ever fit in. I think it's supposed to. Oh, there we go. Got it again. So this thing is a beast. This thing fires super fast. This gun can shoot up to 75 feet, 22 meters. So that is actually really good. There's a white version of this, but I couldn't find that one. I didn't even want that one. I was just looking for anyone. So now I'll shoot 2 bullets. If my iPod dies, I'll just say this is the end of the video. Have a good day, but probably won't die, so don't take that into recommendation that the video will die, because I don't really want it to anyway. So I'll shoot 2 more bullets. 3, 2, 1. There goes 1. There goes 2. Just for you. See what a rhyme. I'm the rhyming master. Don't want to lose my bullets first thing, so hope you enjoyed this awesome video. I'll see you next time when I might be going to Ryan's house someday, and we might be doing a Nerf War videos, and I'll be using this beautiful gun. So I'll see you all later. Have a good day and peace.